Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today I'm doing a hair mask with fenugreek powder as my main ingredient. If you're interested to see how I will be making this hair mask and how I will be using this on my daughter's hair, keep watching to the end. Now let's get started with this video. I'm going to start this hair mask by cutting 2 onions in small pieces, putting them in a cup of my blender. After putting all the onions in a cup of my blender, I'm gonna grab some rosemary leaves and put some in a cup of my blender. Next, I will add some water and blend it all together. After blending it, I'm going to strain the juice out. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to press the subscribe button for similar videos. Now it's time to add the main ingredient of our hair mask. And I will be adding only 1 full tablespoon of fenugreek powder. Now the question is, why adding fenugreek powder in this juice? As always, it's always good to know what your hair needs. Because fenugreek contains protein, amino acid, and anti-inflammatory property, these are good ingredients that one of my daughters who has high porosity hair really will benefit from. So using fenugreek on her hair would be good to have reduced scalp inflammation if she has some, reduce some dandruff, and also this will help strengthen her hair. Now I'm going to strain out or filter the hair mask to make sure that there's not any extra debris or any extra pieces left that can go on her hair. Next, I will transfer this into an applicator bottle to make the application easy. I love this small application bottle because it makes the application easy. I believe I got this on Amazon. If I don't forget, I will put the link below of where I got these small applicator bottles. Now it's time to use it. As always, I always start by putting this on her scalp. If I have any mask or any people, I always try to start putting it on the scalp, massage the scalp, put it on the end, and put it all around the section of the hair. I was so amazed to see how this fenugreek hair mask transformed her curls. As you can see, as I'm putting it, you will see how her curls will start to pop up. So if you're really looking for a way to bring out your curls, I think this will be the best mask to use.
I ain't trying to be at the forefront, and no, I ain't trying to be the face of the movement. I don't want to take your place, I don't want to take your glory, yeah. Let my life be like glass so other people can see you.
I hope you guys can see how this hair mask has brought back her curls. Her curls looks well defined. Her curls look so beautiful and shiny. I will say this hair mask is worth trying. Let me know in the comment below if you think that you will probably try this hair mask. After putting this hair mask all over her hair, I'm going to cover her hair with a plastic bag for about 30 minutes or so. Then we'll continue with our regular wash day routine. This hair mask really made her hair look moisturized, rejuvenate. It's giving I got good hair. I hope you guys enjoying this video. I hope that I was able to show you or teach you something, anything. If I was, please consider pressing the like button, share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.
With you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am.